Hello everyone, my name is Deborah and welcome to my channel I've Got Something to Say, a life and lifestyle channel filled with content that will edify, educate, enhance, encourage, enlighten, and enrich. I'm so glad that you were able to join me today, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would press that subscribe button below, and while you're at it, go ahead and press that notification bell so that way you will always be informed of when I upload new videos. Now stay tuned for today's video coming up next. Hello again, I'm Deborah, and today I've got something to say about that burning question, and that is whether or not starting a YouTube channel is for me. Now, this is the start of a new year where many of us out there make New Year's resolutions to resolve to either lose weight or to exercise more or to save more money or to go on that long needed vacation or perhaps even start a new job. Whatever it is that we have put off, that we know we should have done a long time ago, but for whatever reason, we don't have the strength or courage to do it until the start of a new year. Along with everything else that you resolve to do, you may still be asking, is starting a YouTube channel for me? But before we dive more into this topic, if you have not yet watched my new channel launch and new channel launch part 2, I have posted the links to those videos in the card above as well as in the description below. I believe that those videos will be of benefit to new YouTubers as well as those that have not yet launched their channel, because I go into the reasons why we put off starting a new YouTube channel. And in part 2, I go more into one of the reasons why I put it off, and that being the challenges I face with the technology. I felt that it was important for me as a beginner as well to bring you those videos to encourage you to push beyond those self-imposed limits and just do it. There is this expression that iron sharpens iron. So we as beginners can encourage and sharpen each other. But if you are still on the fence as far as whether or not starting a YouTube channel is for you, then you are in the right place. So keep on watching. So if you have watched my first video, I told you that I was passionate about starting a channel and put it off for 2 years. When I got serious about it again, do you know that the same passion and ideas were still there, but I let it go for 2 years before I did anything about it. I still feel like I've got something to say that is uniquely mine and only I can deliver. And I know that if you're watching this video, that you feel the same way. It's like this: when you apply for a new job, you make sure that everything about the reasons why you should be chosen for the job is presented on your resume. Your skills, your experience, your qualifications, and why you should be chosen. I'm in management, and one of the things that I do a lot is screen resumes. On paper, what I'm looking for are the skills and the experience and the qualifications of those applicants that may be a good match for the job that has been posted. I may get several of these resumes where the candidates are equally ranked, but it's when I do the interview, it's when I know whether or not this person can deliver in a way that is uniquely theirs and at the same time fill the needs of the position. And the person that I chose may have been passed over by another employer because someone else with the same skills and experience and qualifications may have delivered their content in a way that connected to that employer. Well, that's you in the YouTube world. Put together your YouTube resume so that way you can eliminate your own self-doubt. Who are you and what content do you have that fills a need that you can uniquely deliver? Your idea may be similar to someone else's, but no one else can bring it the way that you can. If you are a fan of YouTube the way that I am, you see similar ideas packaged and delivered differently all the time. There's another expression that there are no new ideas, just different ways of doing them. You can be that different. So what are you waiting for? Put together your YouTube resume, write it down, make it plain, so that way you can see on paper that you are, in fact, something special. Just like out there in the workforce, what you bring may not connect or appeal to everyone, but it will connect and appeal to some. And once you get that some, your confidence will grow, as will probably your viewers and subscribers. I would love if you would leave your comments below and let me know if this video inspired you, encouraged you to get off of pause and to press play on starting your own YouTube channel. As always, I want to thank you for once again sharing your time with me, and I hope that you will continue to do so. I am enjoying myself, and I hope that you are too. So until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. I will see you soon on the next I've Got Something to Say. I love you all.